Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of adding backtesting to your favorites and using the Find Last Signal feature. Now, let's move on to the form section. Scroll down until you reach the backtest form. Click the Backtest List button. Select the desired backtest from the history page, then click on the Add to Favorites icon, and you will subsequently find it in My Favorites. Clicking on the My Favorites tab will allow you to see that the backtest has been added to the table. If you want to know if the backtest signal has occurred recently, click the Find Last Signal button, and it will detect the last date when both entry and exit signals occurred. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on using Find Last Signal. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.